Hello everyone. Today I going to show you how to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Bybit. For that, first open Bybit exchange. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on Asset option. Then click on Deposit option. Then click on Deposit Crypto. Here you will need to charge USDT. Then click on the USDT. Here you will need to select network. I am choosing BIP20 network. You can choose any network as you wish. Click here to copy this address and exit here and open Trust Wallet. Then you can see this interface. First of all, click on the USDT. Then click on the Send option. Then paste the USDT address here. Then enter quantity you want to transfer. After that, click on the next option and confirm with OTP to successfully transfer. You can transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Bybit exchange following this process. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more informative video.